ఎక్సైట్ కాకు ఎక్కువ అంటే అయితే పర్లేదు. నీకే ట్రై చేయడు, సైడ్కి ఆపాడు. సారీ బ్రో. Now Naisha knows how to charge my AirPods. Yesterday I was talking to my friend on the AirPods. Literally she removed one AirPod from my ear and put it in charging. I was like, dude, yellow AirPod lo. Put it in this. Put it in this. Very good. Enough. You see that? Dude, you are like a super intelligent alien intelligence level. Naisha, you know what? Today, Papa is gonna book a new bike. Woo! Papa is gonna book a new bike. You don't understand anything, no? Yes, what's up guys? Kaise ho? Eleanor, hope everyone is doing great. Actually, I'm so excited today. Like usually my excitement level is around 800, 900, maybe 1000. If I go to Ladakh, it's maybe around 2000. I don't know, 9000 plus. But today is gonna be like next level. I think at least. Can I understand from the energy that is coming inside? Oh God, I'm super excited. I don't know how to show it, but oh yes, just received some cash as well. Just withdrew some cash from the bank. This is for the booking amount. Oh yes, I have to go out. Actually, I have to go now. The time is around 1 o'clock right now, but I had to go at 2 o'clock. I said I'll come in the evening because ye potti ko dekhne ke liye no one is there. Pooja is working, mom went out. So daddy sitting right now. I mean baby sitting. I don't mind my excitement. # dad duties. Yeah, correct. I need to be with her till 4 o'clock and 4 o'clock. Let's go book the bike, bro. You're also excited. You're not excited. Okay, so recently in one of my previous vlogs, I told you that a booking is not going to happen for the next 2 months. Reason being, the bike which I'm looking at, that is completely out of stock in India. The particular bike I wanted, that was available in the north, one of the dealerships in north. But then going to the north and getting the bike, that's going to be a hassle. They will ship it, but then I have to get it registered there itself in the north. I want my bike here in Hyderabad, Hamara Telangana mein. I want a TS registration. And the next lot that is going to be available here in Hyderabad is going to come around June, July, August, September. No idea. These bike launches, car launches, you're not sure. Forget all that right now. The thing is, finally we have the bike here in Hyderabad. How did this happen? Actually, South region, there was one bike left. The dealership in Hyderabad, they told me, Sriman, there is one bike left. Are you still interested? I asked them, what color do you have? They told me that they have XYZ color, which I'm not interested in. So I thought, let's keep it for now. Anyways, I made my mind to go for the next generation. And next generation also, I don't have that particular color, but then actually I'm giving you so many clues with these colors and all that. If you're intelligent enough, if you're like a proper motorbike enthusiast, you will definitely understand. Would you like to go ahead? I said, dude, like, chalo, let's go get it. Funds, everything arranged, almost arranged. Obviously, I'll be taking a loan because applied for the loan. I should be getting it almost approved. So all this is all the processes happening. Should be approved in a couple of days. But for now, yes, let's stop all this crap. Let's go book the bike, bro. But before that, I wanted to do something. What I'm planning to do is, this is Sriman Kotaru and he will not directly show you the bike. He needs to create a ton of suspense before going for the next big bike. He'll not just reveal it like that, which brand and all that. Most of you might guess it. Can you guess it? Let's see. Why do I have to directly tell you the bike? There's no fun in it. We have to create a ton of drama. We have to create a ton of suspense. It should be like a daily serial. Daily serials don't have that much suspense, but Sriman Kotaru vlogs, there'll be full suspense. The reason I was sitting in the car till now is, you know the AC issue, right? My roommate Naisha is taking her evening nap. Pooja is working. I can come down and vlog, but then aeroplanes, trains, buses, tractors, this. I've already started చేసినట్టు బాత్తుండేసి. Time is actually, I told you right, in the morning I have to go at 4 o'clock. Abhi 4:30 ho gaya because these AC people, they said they'll be coming, but the typical Hyderabad is, they said 3:30 will be here, sir. Abhi 4:30 ho, abhi tak they're not here. So I'll wait till 5 o'clock max, and 5 o'clock I'll leave. Also tiffin box pack karna because 5 o'clock ho raha, which means we need our 6-pack diet. Dark horse, are you sad that I'm going to go and book a new bike? Huh? Oh, little bit sad. But when I booked you, even the Benelli was sad like this. Don't feel sad. Life is all about moving ahead, upgrading yourself. Okay, now don't get irritated, but I'm gonna give you the second clue. I'm gonna set the location, and obviously I'm gonna blur it. Right now time is 5:06 PM, 5:44 time of arrival. 38 minutes from here. That is the showroom we're going to. Okay, 20 minutes more, 11 minutes more, 11 minutes more. Sorry for the excitement, but I'm super excited. I'm too excited today. Excuse me. Exactly 5.9 kilometers from here, from Panjagota. 11 minutes. 5:44. Arrival time didn't change. Traffic is moving with a good pace and no issues. 30 kilometers per hour is our average speed. Okay, I reached on time, waiting for my friend. Once he comes, let's go and book the bike. Today only this fellow is coming late. Every day Charan is on time. Whenever I call him, he's perfectly on time. But today only he's late. But that's okay. We need this kind of excitement. We need this kind of build up. Oh, he's here. Let's go book it. Excitement. But we are not showing anything. It's going to be fully censored.
నీ స్ట్రీట్మెంట్ ఎంత పెద్ద సర్ప్రైజ్, ఇది అంత స్టూపిడ్ సర్ప్రైజ్ అవుతుంది, నీకు తెలుస్తుందా?
People might know that this is not a చూడు excitement I forgot to lock. The retake number 2. Excitement. Chalo, let's go book it.
అయిపోద్ది.
I know people will recognize it. Okay, కొత్త ఇంట్లోకి అడుగు పెట్టు, కుడి కాలు పెట్టు. It's gonna be a top secret. Out of excitement again I forgot something. I forgot to get the cash. No, it is in the car. This is the last one for the next couple of years. At least 2-wheelers, man. Car, I don't know. If you people are gonna bless me properly, then maybe a Mercedes. That's my dream car. But chala, let's do the booking. Yeah, Tiger was on Pooja's name. This is gonna be on my name. Actually, she was asking today, are you taking it on my name? I said, if I take it on your name, then you should give a party. Today is 8th.
April.
Excitement. Today is 8th April 2021. I'm booking the bike. Some of my subscribers here are here, so they might know it.
One thing he'll do is
190.
190, yeah?
hey, ఏందిది?
Dude, I'm seriously so excited. Not only excited, I'm actually a bit
You're sweating.
nervous. See, you can see the sweat. I'm not able to write. Like last I could write like this in the exams. My exams
Pass
was
or
like this a
fail?
little bit. Fail away. I booked it, bro. Just now booked. అదే నడుస్తుంది డిస్కషన్. హీ వాజ్ ఆస్కింగ్ రెఫరెన్స్. నువ్వు నాకు ఎంత ఇస్తావు దాన్ని బట్టి. How's the Josh?
Hi.
How's the Josh? నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్ జోష్. లోపల ఇట్లా ఇరుగుతున్నాయి, పట్టు ఇరుగుతున్నాయి, పగిలిపోతుంది.
ఇది అక్కర్లేదు అనుకుంటా.
మా కెమెరా ఈజ్ లైక్ నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్ లో లైట్. ఇవాళ మొత్తం అదే చేస్తాను నేను. 4 years తర్వాత బైక్ కొంటున్నా. Like a proper adventure tourer. After 4 years I booked a proper bike.
Do you have that excitement?
I genuinely have that excitement.
Genuinely,
yes.
Okay, nice.
I feel very good now.
I kind of lost it in the middle, but now
No, for this bike somehow I don't know, I'm feeling very good.
చాలా రీసెర్చ్ చేసావు.
రీసెర్చ్ ఏం కాదు, దిస్ వాస్ లైక్ దేర్ ఫ్రమ్ అ లాంగ్ టైమ్. తీసుకోవాలి one day అనేసి. I didn't think it's gonna happen so soon. It happened. So that's the reason, that excitement.
Nice.
Charan, when is yours? I mean your secondary bike tera.
Secondary bike, that next week.
Mostly next week.
I'm getting a 20.
How about we take
20,
both the
20.
bikes on the same day delivery?
I think when you're in, me and Chaitanya might take our bikes.
Actually, we are bored with doing this delivery.
We'll
so
probably take the delivery. Ask you guys to meet at a cafe.
Correct. So my plan is that I'm not sure if I'm calling everyone this time. Street twin ka ho gaya
Because
aisa.
it's just too routine ho gaya yaar. Wanted
Same thing
something
repeating.
different.
Yeah,
In
we
fact,
want something different.
I asked them.
I'll go with maybe Pooja,
Yeah.
Max. That's it. Naisha, though obviously I can't take her on the bike. Just take a cab from home, go to the showroom, take the bike, and go back home.
సిలిండర్ హెడ్ మీద పడుతుంది బైక్ మీద కూడా కాదు. నువ్వు కూర్చోబెట్టడానికి.
No more hints. In case you people are still able to understand which bike we are talking about, if you can guess, comments में डाल दो.
This is the worst kept secret.
అదే పెద్ద క్యూ.
సరిగ్గా చూడరా,
అది యాంగిల్లో ఉన్నావు నువ్వు.
ఇక్కడ డార్క్ ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ డార్క్ ఉంటుంది, ఈ పైన మొత్తం లైట్ ఉంటుంది.
ఏం లైట్?
స్టడీ ఆఫ్ షాడో.
సియోగ్రఫీ,
సయోగ్రఫీ,
సోషియోగ్రఫీ. అరే మళ్ళీ చెప్పరా ఒకసారి.
వద్దురా, పర్లేదు.
రాయంట, దాని పక్క షాడో ఉందంట.
దీనికి ఎన్ని సంవత్సరాలు చదివా?
మాకు ఒక సెమిస్టర్, 1 సెమిస్టర్.
ఓకే, బేసికలీ సయోగ్రఫీ ఇస్ ద స్టడీ ఆఫ్ షాడోస్.
ఎస్
అని చెప్పి రాయి పెట్టి ఏమో చూపిస్తుండు మాకు.
మీకు ఇంకా ఎట్లా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారా నేను అది నా పడుతుంది అంటే ఎట్లా అని అడుగుతుంది మీరు.
లైట్ పెడితే పడుతుంది ఏదన్నా, నేను కొడితే నువ్వు కూడా పడతావు.
అవును
విషయం కాదు కానీ ముందర పోతుందిరా.
ఇప్పుడు ముందుకెళ్ళాలంటారా? ఒక అడుగు
కార్లో కాదు. బ్యాక్ ఇన్ ద వోక్స్ వ్యాగన్. సారీ వోక్స్ వ్యాగన్ అంటే ఏంటి మర్చిపోయా కార్. వెన్యూ.
అస్సలు వాట్ ఇస్
పే ఫైన్ గివ్ మీ.
వేసుకున్నారా?
ఇప్పుడు వేసుకున్నాం, ఫస్ట్ వేసుకోవాలి.
ఇప్పుడే స్టార్ట్ అయింది కారు.
ఎప్పుడో స్టార్ట్ అయింది, ఈ మధ్యలో ఎవరో వచ్చి గుర్తే ఐ వుడ్ బి సేవ్డ్. చూడు అది పని చేయట్లేదా?
ఇప్పుడు పని చేయదు.
పని చేస్తుంది. పని చేసినప్పుడు చేయకుండా నీలాగా పనికిరంటే ఆయన పని చేస్తుంది. సరే ఇప్పుడు చెప్దామా తర్వాత చెప్దామా?
ఏం చెప్తావు? ఫస్ట్ నాకు చెప్పు, దాని తర్వాత
అది అప్రూవ్ చేస్తే చెప్దామా?
అంతే
అంటే ఓకే సరే
సరే చెప్పు ఇంకేదో ఒకటి.
ఎక్సైట్ కాక ఎక్కువ అంటే అయితే పర్లేదు. నీకే ట్రై చేయడు, సైడ్ కాపాడు. ఈ స్టాప్ ఆన్ ద సైడ్. సారీ బ్రో. అరే అది తగులుతుంది రే.
తగలాలనే కొడుతున్నా.
అరే ఫ్యాట్ గుండేదిరా ముందే. అరే చూసేటోళ్ళు ఏమో అనుకుంటారు
అనుకోని ఏం కాదు. చెప్పినావా?
అరే ఎక్సైట్మెంట్ ఎక్కువ చేసినవారు కొట్టి కొట్టి.
నీకు ఇదిరా
ఏంద్రా ఇది ఏ ఫ్యాట్ లేదు ఒంట్లో.
చెప్పినావా?
యూ కెన్ టెల్ ఐల్ బ్లర్ ఐల్ బీప్ ఐల్ డూ ఆల్ దట్ మై డియర్స్.
అంటే ఏ ఏ ఏ ఏ ఏ
నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్ ఎక్సైట్మెంట్.
సంపిడిచి పెట్టు. ఎప్పుడు రేపు అనకరా?
కాదు టైమ్ ఇస్ దేర్. ఐ నీడ్ టు గో ట్రావెల్ నో ఆఫ్టర్ దట్.
ట్రావెల్ నో? అచ్చా అవునా?
उसके बाद आने के बाद let's rock.
అచ్చా రెడీయా?
అంటే వచ్చేస్తా 2-3 days లో.
గిఫ్ట్ రా
టాటా. ఎక్కువైపోయింది ఎక్సైట్మెంట్ ఈ బ్లాగ్ లో. We'll see you in the next vlog. Subscribe. You have to subscribe now because you will understand what's happening. అరే ఎర్రగా ఏంద్రా చెయ్యి. స్టాండ్ అంతా పోయింది.
చిదారా అట్లా కావాలి నీకు. చెప్పవా ఇప్పుడే అయిపోయేది
అంటే చూపించా కదరా, ఇంకేంట్రా?
చీకలి.
ఇది ఎవరికి తెలియదు ఇంకా. దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ నో చరణ్ కే బాద్ యూ నో ఇట్.
గుడ్ సుజాన్, ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ వాచింగ్ దిస్ కలుస్తే తెలుస్తాయి నీకు.
We are not talking to that stupid fellow. He is not coming out at all. It's me, Aditya, Charan, sometimes Chaitanya. We are the 4 people who are meeting every day. Not every day, at least weekly, twice. At least.
మనం ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఎవ్రీ అదర్ డే
Sujan became proper daddy. He is not coming out anywhere.
నో కమెంట్. అంటే
The food guard. Okay, today is the next day. Edit is almost done. Couldn't vlog last night because I told you right, AC issue was there in that room and now it is sorted, so our room is back to normal. And oh yes, that excitement is still there inside. I mean, did I feel this excited when I was getting the car or my Tiger? Actually, I have to think, while getting the Tiger I was not so excited. I mean, this excited. But then I got excited after getting the bike and after riding it. Slowly that excitement graph went up. But for this purchase somehow, I didn't even pay in full. I just paid my booking amount and a loan is yet to be approved. And I'm already feeling very good about it. Chalo then, I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. I know most of you guys can guess the bike, maybe because you people follow me so dearly. You know everything about Shriman Kotaru. You know every in and out about Shriman Kotaru. 90% you might guess it, but you people can guess my choices, my taste, everything very easily. But who knows? You might be wrong. You might be wrong because a lot of people are thinking. I'll keep thinking actually. In case you did not subscribe, you guys know what to do. Please hit the subscribe button. Do give this video a thumbs up because the next couple of vlogs are gonna be next level lit, bro. Next vlog will not be unboxing. I think uske baad wala hoga unboxing. I'm gonna travel for a couple of days, 3-4 days, and then come back. And then after that, 2-3 days ke baad I'll be taking the bike. So approximately from today, say at least a week or more. Hold your horses till then. Let's begin the new chapter soon.